अस्सलाम वालेकुम। आज का लेक्चर क्लास 9th फिजिक्स से है, चैप्टर नंबर 2 काइनेमैटिक्स। तो काइनेमैटिक्स में हमारा टॉपिक है रेस्ट एंड मोशन एंड आल्सो टाइप्स ऑफ मोशन। बिफोर डिस्कस दिस लेक्चर दिस टर्म्स, so like our video, subscribe the channel, also share it and also press the bell icon. Thank you. Now, what is kinematics? The chapter name is kinematics. Kinematics is the study of motion of object without any cause. What is the cause of motion? That is not included in motion. That is kinematics. During the study of motion, if we don't discuss the cause of motion, that is kinematics. Now today our topic is rest and motion, also types of motion. So first of all, we define rest. What is rest? A body is said to be at rest if it does not change its position with respect to its surroundings. यानी अगर कोई ऑब्जेक्ट अपनी सराउंडिंग्स के लिहाज से पोजीशन चेंज ना करे, वी विल से दैट इज इन रेस्ट. So similarly, the definition of motion, that is if a body changes its position with respect to its surroundings, then body is in motion. So rest and motion are relative to each other. How it is relative? For example, some passengers are sitting in the bus and bus is moving. The passenger with respect to its fellow passengers, they are in rest, but the passengers with respect to some observer outside the bus, that is in motion. So rest and motion are relative to each other. So this is the example. This is the answer to describe how rest and motion are relative. We will write the example of moving bus, passengers sitting in the bus. Now next, that is types of motion. Types of motion. Here are three main types of motion. Number 1, translational. Translational motion. Before write the next type, we discuss about the translational motion. We observe different objects moving. Is the object moving in circle? Is the object moving on a straight line? Yes, we will see a car is moving on a straight line. That is translational motion. So definition of translational motion is that if a body move on a line in a circle without any rotation, then body is said to be in translational motion, or the motion of that body is translational. So also translational motion has three types. Number 1, linear motion. Number 2, translational. Number 2, circular motion. Motion number 3, that is random motion. These three types are the types of translational motion. When object is moving exactly vertical line, For example, the exact example, if a body moving freely fall, that is the example of linear motion, or the object moving on a straight line, that is linear, that is a linear motion. And next, circular motion, if a body move on a circle, then motion of that body is circular motion. A toy, children that playing with their toy, so that is moving in a circular track, that is motion of a circular motion. Now next, random motion, we see different bees, makhiyan jo hoti hain, the motion of bees or other birds, they move here and there on a zigzag path, or the motion of water molecule, that is also on a zigzag path, यानी टेढ़े मेढ़े रास्ते पर जो हरकत होती है, that is a random motion. So on a straight line, straight line motion, that is linear. On a circle, that is circular. On a zag path, that is random motion. Now next type, that is number 2, that is vibratory motion. Vibratory, the motion of the object about the mean position, that is vibratory motion. The motion of a body about the mean position, that is vibratory. For example, if a child play or sitting in the oscillator, a झूला जिसको कहते हैं कि in the beginning, in the start, oscillator is in rest, that is mean position, that starts to play, that move the oscillator move to and fro, oscillator move to and fro about the mean position, यानी rest position के आगे पीछे move करता है, तो the motion of that oscillator, that is vibratory motion, यानी about the rest motion, that is vibratory motion. Now third type, that is vibratory rotatory motion, that is the motion of the object about the axis, about the pivot, or the spinning motion of any object, that is vibratory. The spinning motion of the object is called rotatory motion. For example, rotatory motion, fan moving, any wheel moving, any car wheel moving, that is about that is moving about the axis, that is moving about that is spinning. So the spinning motion of any object, that is rotatory motion. So again we review this. First topic, rest. Next, motion. So if a body does not change its position, that is in rest. If body change its position, that is in motion. So types of motion, there are 3 main types of motion. Translatory motion of a body on a straight line without any rotation. Vibratory motion, motion of object on a about the mean position, that is vibratory motion. Of rotatory motion of object, that is about the axle or the spinning motion. So there are 3 types of translation motion: linear motion, motion of body on straight line, motion of a body on circle, that is circular, and the motion of a body in a zigzag path, that is random motion. Thank you so much. Like our video, press the bell icon, share it, and also subscribe the video. Thank you so much. Allah Hafiz.